my life on a vlog. They don't never spit me out with the dogs. Staying away. I need a large. When we got static, I'm fully involved.
Whew, y'all, I just thought this video was freaking deleted. I've been going through it. This video has deleted the beginning and more. But anyway, I just want to jump right into it. This video is basically reviving your old wigs. I know it's a pandemic and we are having a lace shortage. So I'm just going to start with my bald cap. And guys, don't mind me in this video. I am sitting with my roommate. As you can see, I'm cutting through my cap. I'm sitting with my old roommate. When she's not feeling well, she likes to watch movies together. That's her thing. You know, you tourists, a little sentimental. I'm going in with some lace grip glue right now. And I am just putting that all over. Just one nice layer, not too much. The more, the messier. You honestly want to do it as minimal as possible. I am taking a dirty nasty hair clip with a bunch of glue on it. I had accidentally glued it together once and it was just like, okay, well, this is what I'm going to put my glue on with. And I am just layering this glue on up. Now usually I do this part with Gotta Be glue, but I think that I was out this day and I tried it with the actual lace glue. And when I say my wig stayed on for probably 2 weeks without lifting or looking bad at all. So now I'm going into my makeup and I am just layering that all over my cap. I find that honestly a beauty blender is easier and faster. So for this old wig, I'm just putting on one of my old wigs that I've already previously styled. The hairline is pre-plucked. If you guys would like a full-on tutorial, guys, just please let me know and I will get you guys more videos out very soon here. I am back and in action. So I'm just putting that behind my ear, leveling it all out. As you can see, the hairline is plucked, but it's pretty old. I've got some old lace on there. I'm just, getting myself together. So I'm clipping my hair back, moving all the hairs out the way. I went ahead and I edited it, but I clipped out some of those. I moved some of those hairs because if the hairs are under the wig and you glue it down, as soon as you comb those hairs out from under, it's going to pull your wig up, if that makes sense. You don't want any pieces of hair between your lace and your scalp or your cap. You want to make sure that it's clean and free of hair. So now I'm going in with the layer of Insta Hold Gotta Be spray and I'm just blow drying that on the cool setting. I'm pulling this down and I'm melting it. If you didn't notice, the other sides aren't glued down. I did only record me gluing down this one side because initially this was a makeup tutorial, but this is just me putting down that one side. It's still, showing you guys how I do it. If you guys want a very detailed beginner video, just please show this video a lot of love and I will definitely get that video out for you guys because I have plenty of wigs and plenty of looks to serve, okay? So I'm just taking the metal tip of a comb and I'm melting this down and then just combing it backwards and just melting it down. This really helps with the melt. The metal part of the comb gets really hot and it really makes the glue stick down. Sometimes I don't use a blow dryer, but for my lace, I do like to do a blow dryer, especially on old wigs, because the little pieces will lift and move around. So now I'm going in with the hot comb and I'm just moving this all around out the way. I'm gonna go in and part it in a second. So this part was kind of irrelevant, but at the same time relevant because you have to do this to really find your part. You gotta hot comb everything out the way. So now I'm going in with some lace grip mousse and flattening this, and then I'm going to go in with my comb and go ahead and start parting. And as my mother says, I cannot part. I got that from my mama. Y'all, this is edited, so it looked like I just got there real quick, but trust me that I edited out about 3 minutes. Is edited a word? Because I keep saying it. Edited. I edit. Anyway, foam grip on my hands and I am putting that all over my hair. It really does help. This mousse is a foam and a gel, so it's really, 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 really nice. And I'm just taking my hot comb, $20 from Walmart, guys, the best hot comb ever. I will add a link to Amazon because I don't know, or I'll add a link to Walmart as well in the description. And yeah, I'm just putting that backwards and forwards. So I know it seems like we almost done, but we almost ain't. I be going through it trying to make my wigs look as nice as I want them to. So to make this old wig look new, I'm gonna just part backwards and I'm gonna start to pluck behind where I would put how my hairline looks, honestly. I don't really know the words for this. So let me disclaimer. I'm not a hairstylist. So my story with doing my own hair is that I went and got my hair done and paid $500 about like 4 or 5 years ago. And my braids was coming down on the third day. I'm just plucking some more. And I needed a touch up like 2 days later, which was Valentine's Day. And I texted my friend, which we're friends now, but we weren't friends at the time. And she did my hair. So she probably doesn't even know this. But I texted her like I need a touch up, and she was like I don't do touch ups, and I'm like yeah, that's the last time I'm ever getting my hair done, and I have been doing my own hair for about it hasn't been 5 years, it's probably been like 3 or 4 years, and I'm starting to get a little good at it. So hopefully you guys grow with me and see my progress. I'm going in with the hot comb again. It's a whole lot of hot combing and plucking and just getting it right until you like it. There's a process to this, but I honestly truly feel like it goes with your head. Like I have this big ass head and I have this hairline that just like is meant to complement my face. So like when someone shows you how to pluck a wig, I mean it's valid, don't get me wrong, but you really have to go with the shape of your head. Don't be just, oh, they plucked the edge here, so let me, like I can't do that. You know how girls be having 3 swoops on one side, 3 swoops on the other. That lifestyle is not cut out for me. I can barely get 5 and I be looking crazy as hell. But I'm gonna try to go and get my 5 in here. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see how it works. So right now I'm just combing the baby hairs forward to separate them so that I can pluck the hair and thin out the baby hairs. This took me a really long time to learn. If you don't pluck them goddamn baby hairs, your shit gonna be thick as y'all. I probably shouldn't curse. I'm so sorry. I'm really bad at it. But if you don't pluck them baby hairs and cut them really short, it's just gonna be real thick and nasty, and you're gonna be trying to get this effortless natural lay, and it's just not gonna be working for you. And then be like, why is this not working for me? But honestly, sis, like you gotta pluck that shit. You gotta cut that shit. Okay. So I'm cutting it right now. And then, honestly, I have to watch it to see what I'm going to do. I thought so. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite combination. Chit chat, get ready with me. I'm going to go in with my favorite combination, this lace grip foam gel and some spritz. So half and half. And it usually lays it down so perfectly. Very light, not hard, so you can't fix it, not crusty looking, none of that, just real nice. So this is what I'm saying with the little swoop thing. So I be trying to get that little, y'all know how they be having a little swoop in the middle. That don't work for me. I just feel like it don't belong. It shouldn't be there. I really got to find me a new style of trying to lay my edges, because baby, it's something about my forehead either being too small. That 5 hoops is just like swoops. 5 swoops is just like really pushing it for me. I think I'm gonna have to do the one where they be just having, the middle plane and then the 2 on the side. But even that be looking kind of crazy because it just be, I don't know, y'all. I'm still figuring it out. So I hope y'all gonna figure it out with me and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, leave a comment if you want to see any more content. If you love my voiceover, let me know. If you would rather me talk through, let a nigga know. Maybe I shouldn't say nigga either. Y'all don't have to, I'm just, So right here, and I kept this part in the video because I just felt like, why not? So right here, I'm about to pluck this out because it was too thick. Like I was saying, if it's too thick, y'all gonna be like, ew, it's not laying right. So I'm plucking this out, and then I'm about to cut it per usual. And y'all, look at what's gonna happen. So I'm cutting it. I wish you'd keep up with me. Like, girl, damn, you moving so slow. But I kept this at normal speed so y'all guys could really see like what was going on. So here I am trying to swoop this shit, and this shit is just not swooping how I wanted to swoop because, girl, all that hair. Yes, push some of that back. It's all in the way. Girl, that don't work. They be having 5 swoops in their head. Why I can't never get the 5 swoops? Like, this shit just really not working for me. So I went ahead and pushed that back. That was just some that needed to be plucked. So this is an elastic band. You can get this from anywhere. Target, Michael's, Amazon is where I got a roll of it for. It's really dirt cheap. It's really elastic. I mean, you could use anything that's elastic, and you tie it around your head. Mine is already fit to my head, my big ass head. And whoa, bad bitch alert, bad bitch alert. So I struggle with my earring really bad. That's crazy that the tutorial is over. I did not feel like I just talked for 10 minutes. But yeah, this is the completed look. Here's some earrings on my website. I will put these earrings in the description. I'm not releasing them until this video goes up. I really love my hair. This is a really old wig. I've worn this wig about 15 times. Right now I'm just adding in some spritz to give my hair some volume because I'm going to take some product photos. This video is pre-recorded, by the way. I probably recorded this about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Totally forgot about it. Was about to edit another video. I was like, damn, I look good at the end, not at the beginning. I started this bitch looking like, what the fuck? But yeah, so I'm hot combing my hair, which I do a million times because I really love the way it lays flat. And boom, bada bam. Look at that. Bitch, lace is popping. It look good. It look natural. Yes, yes. Bless, bless. Okay, well, I still have to edit the end of this video, so I probably shouldn't talk much because I ain't got that many clips. Because y'all, this was supposed to be a makeup video, but I really just like the way that my hair turned out, and I was just like, let me give them the hair video they've been asking for. So I'm gonna name this shit How to Survive a Pandemic, because you're gonna have to revive an old wig, and this is an old wig. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave some video suggestions, let me know what needs to be better. Look at me combing this edge again. It just don't be working for me. It look cute right here though, but sometimes it just do not be working for me. But it's cute or whatever. Sorry I'm so zoomed in. I really thought this was going to be a makeup tutorial, but it's not. I do have makeup looks coming on the way though. Some lifestyle vlogs. Anything you guys want to know about me, just please leave it in the description. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you subscribed, if you didn't, then I hope your lace lifts by the end of this video. Bye. Thank you.
Hey, to watch my life on a vlog. They don't never spit me out with the dogs. Gain weight. I need a large. When we got static, I'm fully involved.